Hi, guys, it's been a hot minute. You know how I said that I post videos every Monday? Well, I kind of missed the last couple Mondays. You know, for good reason. I was in Europe. I was also in Vietnam. I've also been doing multiple conventions and workshops in different countries. Kelsey, you want to say hi? No, you cannot sit here. I have to do work. And if you perch, it's over for me. We also just did our grand opening at Happy Hughes in Seattle, which last year it was called Picaro and Friends, and it was a pop-up that was temporary, but we've turned it permanent. So that's exciting. Today, I actually want to try this new printer that I got. All right, I have to move you, sir. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's called the Liene N200 Pro Portable Photo Printer. I've tried their medium-sized printer. I really like it if you've seen the other videos that I've done. It's great for junk journaling. It's great for making mini stickers. I also have the photo one as well. It looks like this one is smaller, hence the portable, so I'm excited to see what that's gonna be like. Also, look at this coaster that I made. I laser cut it. And this mug I bought from McKenna Quick onto the coaster. Mother's Day is coming up and I'm actually gonna see my mom pretty soon. Next week, I'm flying in to see her. And I think it would be cool to actually junk journal with her. So I'm gonna test this out, and if this is a good printer, maybe she would actually like it and I can get it for her. I've decided that I want to junk journal on the floor, so I'm working on my coffee table today. This is actually one of my first adult purchases, this very table. It's very special to me, so I'm gonna keep it forever, or as long as I can. Are you guys one of those people that read the manual? Because I'm definitely not one of those people. Ooh, look at this cute little icon. So it looks like it comes with sheets of sticky paper. Ooh, okay, so we can print sticky things? And then ink cartridges and 50 photo prints. I do like instructions that just have images like this. Very easy to read. Also, excuse my messy hands. If you don't know already, I am a big fountain pen and fountain ink person, so that's what I was doing earlier today. I was actually filling ink vials because I'm seeing some friends soon and I want to give them some ink samples that I have. Hello? Are you gonna open? Oh my gosh. Wait, these are so baby. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Wait, these are so baby. That's so cute. I'm a sucker for tiny things. Okay, image time. How to replace. I will say all of the Liene products I have, it's very easy to load the cartridge in. It pretty much just fits in here and you just copy the shape and you insert it. Okay, syncing time. I do like how easy it is to add a printer. So let me see, turn it on, connect, ta-da. Okay, so, what do I want to do? Classic print. I think I will print some pictures of, maybe like some cute pics I have of my Doge, my doggo Shippo. I feel like this one's pretty cute. Let me try it out. Okay, it looks like it'll come out this way. This is quite portable, you know? It's so small. It's making sounds. Maybe I should put it down. Let it do its thing. Wait, this is actually so perfect. Oh my my gosh. I love how tiny it is. I think, oh my god, my mom would actually love this. It fits in your bag and she can print a bajillion photos. She does like taking photos. So, oh my god. Okay. It's been a hot minute since I've junk journaled with you guys. Actually, it's been a hot minute in general since I've used my sketchbook. I did bring it on my Europe trip with me and I doodled a bit, like quite a bit, I would say. However, I became one of those people that carry multiple sketchbooks. So on this trip, I had this sketchbook, the sketchbook that I designed, and it's bleed proof, which is really nice. It's also very durable and thick. So if you're trying to junk journal or have a lot of things in your book, this is actually perfect for that. But I ended up carrying 2 other sketchbooks as well that I just wanted to try different types of paper on different inks that I had. So I'm gonna print a couple more images and then just start junk journaling in here. And I also made new washi tape, so I just want to try using the washi as well. I think I'm gonna do a little journal entry almost and just kind of write my thoughts. I'm taking a flight tomorrow. It's at 5 a.m. I'm so cooked, guys. I need to still pack. I need to do so many things. I still gotta like clean the house too because I gotta get it. Even though we're leaving, I gotta get it ready for the pets and just make sure things are okay. There's lots to do, you know? This is a little memo pad that I designed. It's got these little Shibas on it. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Feel free to journal along. Don't forget to drink water and yeah, let's just have fun with it. Alright, here's the final page. I really love how the quality of the prints came out. They're very sticky and they're very thick. I like that. I like that this printer is also so small. I'm definitely going to bring it on trips and just print pictures of my friends because it's directly linked to the phone. That's really nice. The pen I was using, by the way, is the Eco Twisby. This is the broad or bold nib. It's one of my favorite pens, top 3 I would say. And then the ink I was using is from Kakimori. It's a pigment ink, so just be careful if your pen is not big enough, it might clog your pen. But I love the shading on this ink, and I just love how warm it is, which is very fitting of this page. This page is very warm. I feel like this room is very warm too. And my coffee table, everything is giving warm vibes. It's really funny because, yeah, I haven't packed for my trip at all, and I need to take the flight in a couple hours, but I feel like I needed a break to just journal a little bit and doodle a bit. I hate packing, so it's just me procrastinating. I'm just finding excuses to not pack for my trip. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this little journal activity that I did and the printer. If you're interested, you can find the link in the description. It's so tiny, it prints in color, and you can get sticky paper to make these little sticky photos. I love it. Definitely recommend. Alright, I hope to see you guys next time. Hopefully I post on Monday. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. And I'll be working on just making all of my products on my website. It's been a hot minute since I've opened it. I don't think my online store has been open since beginning of this year, so yeah, I'm working on taking pictures of everything and just existing. Yeah, okay, bye guys!